how to transfer USDT from Gateio to Bybit. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can transfer USDT from Gateio to Bybit. So, without wasting your time, let's get started. First, click on the Assets option over here. When you click on Assets, it will bring up a page for your wallets. Next, click on the Deposit option. Choose Deposit Crypto by clicking on that option. Now, search for the coin you want to deposit, which is Usdt. I already have it here, so I'll click on Usdt. This will load a payment page for you to copy your wallet address. Important, you need to choose the network you want to use. There are different networks available, such as Thun, TRC20, and Solana. Your wallet address will be generated. Click on Confirm for the notification, then copy your wallet address. Now switch over to Gateio. As you can see, my account is fully verified. Click on the Assets option again. Choose the Withdraw option. Since we want to transfer Usdt, click on that option. Next, select on Chain Withdraw. Paste the wallet address you copied from Bybit into the designated field. Choose the network by clicking on the Network option and selecting TRC20. Ensure you have selected the correct network. Otherwise, your money may not be deposited successfully. Enter the amount you want to transfer. The minimum amount you can transfer is 2 Usdt, so I'll receive 3 Usdt to my receiving wallet address. Click on Withdraw. It will load a page showing the transaction details. Confirm that all information is correct, including the wallet address ending with W and the TRC20 network. If everything looks good, click on Confirm. You'll receive an OTP to your email address and phone number. To check the transaction details, go to the Assets option again. Click on the funding account and then the History option to see the payment. You can see the USDT showing that I have currently received 3 Usdt from Gateio. That's all for the video.